Hi guys, it's Tammy and Jambo. My little kitty catter's here. Oh, you want to say hi to Jambo? Oh, say hi. Say hi. Pretty boy. He's been with his mama all morning today. And I have been knitting, which has been fun. And I have a whole big box of yarn that came. So I thought I would just open it and share with you guys because that's what I like to do, and you guys seem to enjoy it too. And you can never have a yarn stash big enough. And I promise to show you some of my projects here very, very soon. I'm doing one that I'm hoping to finish today, but I don't know if I'll be able to. And I will do another one, or I will show that one, and along with everything else I've been making. I know I said that before, but I really will do a project share and show you the projects that I've been working on. So this is from Love Knitting, I am sure, because this is how they send their stuff, and I love how they do it. So if you go to loveknitting.com, you can find this stuff, and it is awesome. And I ordered quite a bit, so you can see this is a bag, and they usually come in these little bags, which is fun. And I keep these bags to do my projects in, or to keep them in here. Ooh, this is a hank of yarn, and it is very fluffy and furry. I have a love-hate relationship with this kind of yarn. I love it because it's beautiful when it's knit up. It looks really pretty. I don't like it because it leaves little fibers everywhere, and sometimes it's a pain to work with. So be careful when you're using this kind of yarn, just so you know. I also got this Downton Abbey. It has these beautiful sparkles in it, and I don't know why I picked this color. I normally am not, I mean, I love blue, but normally this is called Cobalt Twinkle. Normally I'm not, like, I don't pick out these royally blue colors. I like blue, but usually it's a more subtle or a darker kind of a blue. But when I saw this one, I thought it was beautiful. So I think I got more than one skein of that, but I got that. I also got this in that same Cirrus, I don't know what this is, but it's mohair, nylon, and wool. So that's what the blend is. And it's a smaller hank. It's 114 yards. And this, I mean, it's not very thick. And then I got a couple of these Baby Fair Island Effect DK, and this is in the color 017. It doesn't really say a shade or a color, it just has a thing, a number. And this is 179 yards, and it says that it goes 28 rows and 22 stitches in a 4x4 square, and to use a size 6 in US needle. So I just thought that was really pretty, and I'm excited to see how that knits up. I kind of like the blended colors like that because I just think they knit up pretty cool. So here's another one of the Downton Abbey. I don't know what in the world I'm going to make with it yet, but I'm excited. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is Gusto, and it's by Barocco. Again, same as these, only this is Cirrus and this is Gusto. And it's kind of got the fibers, but it's not as fibrous as that, but it's really thick and nice. But then some of it's kind of thinner. So I love that kind of yarn. It's fun to make stuff. I don't know what I have in mind with this, but I think I got these for a particular project, actually, now that I think about it. I'll have to go look at my patterns. Here's another one of those, and another one of these. And this is really nice. This is called Daisy, and this is in the color Moss, I believe, if I remember right when I was picking out my colors. Maybe it tells me in here. Okay, so these are, this is Rushmore, and this one is Nantucket, and it's kind of a purpley bluish. Okay, and I'm just going to, and I should have 6 of one and 4 of the other, so I don't have that yet. I'm just going to mark what I do have. I have 1 of those, and I have 2 of those so far, and the Gusto, that's in the color Serpentine, and I should have 8 of those, and I only have 1 so far. This one, this Daisy, is in the color Moss, and I should have 10 of those. And the Downton Abbey, I should have 8 of those. I bought several this time because I wanted to be able to make some larger projects, so that's my wish with these. So you're going to see a lot of duplicates in here. So here's another one of those blue ones, Nantucket Sound it's called. I have another bag, so I'm just going to have another one of these. Oh, did I not write those down? Maybe I didn't. Those are Snuggly Baby Crofter. Oh, this is the color Caitlin, and it's spelled just like I spell my daughter's, K-A-I-T-L-Y-N. Isn't that cool? So I got that, and I have 4 of those so far. 4 of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are a couple things that I just bought 1 of, but not many. This is a Weekender called by Stylecraft, and this is in the color Petal, and I only got 1 of these, so I got that one. I'm gonna check that off over here. And here's another one of these in the color Nantucket Sound. And here's another Weekender, only this one is in the color Duck Egg. Isn't that pretty? I thought that was a really pretty color. And I have 6 of those coming. Oh, looks like this one is coming loose from its thing, but it is another one of the Gusto. And what was the name of that? Serpentine. And then another Caitlin. I think I'm going to leave the Caitlin one in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put all the Caitlins in there. So I need to mark off that I have another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put these Serpentine ones in this bag, since that one is kind of unraveling. I should probably put that one on top though, so that I can use it first. So I'll do that. Okay, so there's that. And another one of these. It is a beautiful color. Nantucket Sound. Another one of these, which I absolutely love. I think that might be my favorite so far. The Serpentine. Ooh, this is pretty. This is chunky, it says. It's not very chunky though, in my opinion. It says to use a 7 or an 8, and it does 19 rows square, it looks like. And it's by Scholler and Stahl, and it's just really pretty. And I'll kind of show that to you while I'm finding it. And it looks like I only got 1 of these. So there's that one. Oh, I'm not finished with this. Another Mount Rushmore. This is beautiful. This is from Lion brand. It's a Hometown yarn. And this is in the color Savannah Sage. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I should have 2 of these. And then I have 3 more of those daisies that are in the moss color. Very pretty. So let me mark those off. Daisy in moss. 1, 2, 3. I'm leaving those in that bag. Here is 2 more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2. Here's the second one of that Weekender. Oh, what is this one? Lion brand. There it is, Savannah Sage. So I'm going to mark that one off. And then I have 3 more of the duck egg ones, and I already had one, so I'm going to put those all together. Let me find that on here. 1, 2, 3. And, oh, another daisy. And yarn. And another Gusto serpentine. And another Mount Rushmore. Oh, no, that's not Mount Rushmore. That's Nantucket Sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another daisy. Another serpentine. Another Caitlin. I am excited to see how those will come up. So that's all the Caitlin ones. And another daisy. And where are you? One more daisy one. And another serpentine one. How many serpentine ones am I supposed to have? 8. And I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 more of these. I don't know if they'll all fit in one bag. I'll have to really squish. And then I have 2 of these bags of the Downton Abbey. So there's 6 of those. So that should do it for all of those. Yes, that's 6. And then I have one more Weekender. This is in the color Clay. Very pretty. And I see another one in here, so that's good. Okay, and then I have another duck egg one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I see another one, so there's 6. So I have all of the duck egg ones. Another daisy, duck egg, another Mount Rushmore. That's all 4 of those. The Gusto serpentine. So that's all of those, because there's one more in here. And then the Weekender. So I think that that is everything. Let me see here. The Downton Abbey. Okay, so I have Nantucket Sound. I should have 6 and then 4 of the Rushmore. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the Mount Rushmore, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no. Well, let me count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2. That is so bizarre because I just did an unboxing where I was shorted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 5 of those. That is bizarro. And I should have 8 of the Gusto. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is up? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7. And then the one that's open makes 8. So I have all of those. Good. Whew. So I have all of those. I'm going to put those back in the box. I have all of the Downton Abbeys, so I'm going to put those in the box. I have 2 of the clay, which is right. And I should have 6 of the duck egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is right. So that's right. Put that in here. Woo. So the duck egg and the clay, and then I should have 1 petal, which I do, which is this one. Very pretty. I'm pretty sure that was right. Oh, no, 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 that's not right. This is the petal. Still very pretty. I think I wanted to see that color before I got any more, but it is a beautiful color. It's like a lavender, maybe a light lavender. I don't know. A pastel purple. Whew. And the Scholler and Stahl Maribel Effect color in Schwartz. That's this one, so I have that. Mark that off. I have 2 of these, which is correct, in Savannah Sage. It's the Hometown brand. Savannah Sage, 2, I've got those. Rushmore, I have those. Serpentine, I have those. I'm just making sure I'm marking them all off. Then I should have 10 of these. So let me just make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I have 10 of these, and these are really pretty. They're really soft. I think it would make a fun sweater. And it has like 2 different kinds of yarn in there, or like textures. I think you can see that. Isn't that cool? It's very pretty. So again, this is Daisy brand by Plymouth Yarn. This one is in the color Moss. So there's 10 of those. And the Caitlin, I should have, let me cross that out. Caitlin, I should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have all of those. So that is everything. The only thing that I am missing is one of my Nantucket Sound yarns. I will just make sure it didn't fall down somewhere, but it did not. So I'm gonna have to let them know, but goodness gracious, that's 2 things in 2 days that are 2 hauls that have been crazy. But so be sure you check your yarn when you're ordering or anything, because you know, when you order a lot, which I do, you know, it has a lot of things that could get mixed up. And yeah, this actually comes from Hazelwood, Missouri, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, and it came really fast. I didn't think I would get it this fast. I ordered it on 4 days ago, so pretty cool. All right, well, thanks guys. I appreciate you watching, and I can't wait to show you some of the things I've been working on. Bye-bye.